From WYWNA Mini Street Lights, it's 120 LEDs per light, remote control, battery operated, collects the sun, charges, and shines light all night. We're going to unbox, show you what you get inside. Each kit contains a pole, a remote control, the hardware kits, and hanging for the pole and cement. We have a user's manual to go over to learn about the product. 120 LEDs at 120 plus degree throw. We have the recharge with light indications. We have the on and off switch and the PIR sensor area. To test the unit out is simply pressing on the button showing you the light and off. On the opposite side is your solar array panel. Collects the sun. Has a little drain hole over here. When water collects in the reinforced ridged areas, flows through. AAAs are optional for remote controls. The remote control off, on, 25 through 100% with the auto. You have a 1 and 2 with the Wi-Fi, 3, 4, and 5 of your timer. We're going to hang this up outside, and we're going to show you over here how easy it is to hang up by placing in screws and locking down. In the supplied kit are 2 little set screws. Please remove. Grab a light, place onto the pole, and place in the set screws. Lock down. And to simply turn on the unit, hit the on button and the unit will come on. 25% gives a blink, 50%, 75%, 100%, auto PIR, the light should adjust down with no motion. How the street lamp works. We have auto, dusk to dawn. We have mode 1, which is 100% on with motion and 0% off until motion detected. Mode number 2, 30% on standby and 100% when motion detected and back to 30%. Then we have a 3, 5, and 8 hour timer that the light will stay on for. As we turn the light on and go into mode number 1, 15 seconds to the side without movement. The light shuts down. As soon as you move into the range, the light goes on 100%. Hitting mode number 2, it'll dim down to 30% after 15 to 30 seconds. Hanging the light outside 9 to 12 feet for a 325 through 500 square foot range of showing light. It has 120 degree. Collects the sun from the top. Shut the light off. Put it on the timer. Place it by the shed, by the boat, by the RV, on the side of the house, in front of the house, warehouse, wherever you need to have battery operated light. What we're going to do now is go hang this up outside on the pole and show you what it looks like lit up at night. With the correct diameter pole, you can put the bracket on and hang up around. In our demonstration, we're hanging up the light. We allow for the sun to charge the light for a number of hours. It is IP65 rated, cloudy to sunny days, all weather. We'll come back in the evening hours, see what the light looks like while it's charging. Grab your light, place on to an area located 9 feet plus. It is the evening hours. We're going to turn the light on. 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, and then we're going to hit it to number 1 and walk away. Light is off. As we walk, you can see how quickly it detects for 100%. We'll show you in the back what the light looks like. We'll set it to go off in 5 hours time. We have here's the light lit up at nighttime in the backyard. We have it on the auto, and we're going to put it on number 2, mode 2. 30% dim to 100% when motion's detected, and back to 30% dim. I'm standing away from the light. Give it a couple of seconds to dim down, up to 30 seconds. As the light is dimmed down, as we start to walk, it detects motion right away in the PIR sensor range. You can have the dim down to 25%, 50%, 75%, and up to 100%. For backyards, RV campers, by the boat, where you need to have a battery-operated light. For the shed in the front, by the garage, wherever you want to put light. 9 to 12 feet, 300 to 500 square feet of lighting. I hope you enjoy your light. Thank you for viewing.